you're doing, no matter what you're playing, it's no matter what you're saying, cause we're doing it all the same. No matter where you are, where you're coming from, put your hand on your heart, don't wait. Yeah, you know that we, me, us, we're doing it all the same. No matter where you are, where you're coming from, put your hand on your heart, don't wait. Yeah, you know that we, me, us, we're doing it all the same. Yeah, oh, 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 yeah, oh, oh, oh.
Hello, hello. Hey guys, welcome back to New Chickens Great Pets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. And today it's really windy. As you can see, it's blowing the chickens and it's also blowing me. You can hear it. Can you hear all the wind? Poor Silky nearly got blown away. She tripped over. But we're all out in the garden today. Nobody, let's see if she's in her feelings. She's considering it. Yay, she's not angry today. Are you, my love? You're not angry? Okay, that's good. So as usual, Meta's just inside, but now that I'm out, she can be out too. Come on, motorcycle. I haven't laid eggs recently, but it's alright. Enjoy. Yeah. Hopefully this wind doesn't blow her away either. So here's everybody looking happily and healthy. Oh, I want her to go see motorcycle. Yeah guys, but that was literally the mini update. Because I just wanted to show you how windy it was and that we're outside, we're all good. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Look at them with Meta. They best be nice. But Silky does defend Meta against these. How adorable are they? Oops. What the cycle? Don't run away, you cute little baby. Look how cute she is. Oh, look at you. She's so cute, isn't it? She's very cute, guys. So that's basically it. Nothing important to show. Nothing more, nothing less. So yeah, that's goodbye from me. Goodbye from the girls. Goodbye from Silky. Hey, let me redo that because that was horrible. I'm not doing it with energy like I used to. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish I could show you more. This is a very short video, but that's goodbye from me. Goodbye from the girls. Goodbye from Silky. Goodbye from the chicks. Goodbye from Meta. And we shall see you next time. Peace, 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 peace.